A mental health fair taking place next weekend will help people understand the benefits of counseling, and African Americans are especially encouraged to attend. Here to tell us more are Dr. Jerez Mitchell. She's president of Mind, Body, and Soul Ministry at Mount Moriah Missionary Baptist Church, and Dr. Chanel Fields, founder of the Healing Group. Thank you, ladies, for being here with us today.
Thank you so much.
It's our pleasure.
So let's start by telling us a little bit about yourselves. Why don't you start for us?
Well, I am a private practice therapist in Summerville, South Carolina, and I love all things mental health. I thought about the Healing Group in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, and my clients came in and the first thing that they said was, I want to see someone else who looks like me.
Gotcha.
So the idea behind the Healing Group was to put together a cohort of African American mental health professionals so that the community can see that we do exist.
All right, and Dr. Mitchell, a little bit about yourself.
Well, I am the president of the Mind, Body, and Soul Ministry at Mount Moriah. And one of the things that we wanted to do is make sure that we create safe spaces for our members to be able to talk about these things. And then when Dr. Fields said that she wanted to do this fair, we were fully in support of her for that.
All right, let's talk about this fair. So that event is called What is Therapy? An explanation about counseling and healing and mental health fair. So what's the catalyst behind that mental health fair?
Well, again, similar to what Dr. Fields says, we want to make sure that the people of the Low Country know that they can find a culturally competent therapist right here in the Low Country. We recognize that there are a lot of waiting lists for mental health right now, and we don't want that to be a barrier, especially for this community. And so we are having this fair, bringing clinicians and other wellness practitioners in, and we're opening it up to the community. If you need a therapist, you'll be able to find a really great one at our fair.
Very good. So why are African Americans highly encouraged to attend this? Why is it important that marginalized groups have access to mental health care?
Well, in the past, there has been a stigma attached to mental health, especially in the African American community, for a number of reasons. Number one, there has been previous disenchantment with healthcare in general. And then the negative stigma that if you go to see a therapist or you get mental health treatment, that something is wrong with you. And that is not the case. So we are trying to break some of those barriers down. One of the other issues is the lack of insurance.
Yeah, and a lot of people don't know that a lot of times their companies provide some help with therapy.
Yes, they absolutely do. Your insurance can help you pay for therapy. And if that's not an option, a lot of therapists will offer a sliding scale. So that means whatever you're able to pay, they will work with you. And the therapists that we're bringing into this fair are knowing that they are going to work with who we're bringing in.
All right, Dr. Mitchell, Dr. Fields, thank you both so much for being here with me today. This health fair that's happening next weekend is absolutely free. We've got that information on the screen for you. So if you want to know more, want to know about therapy, how it can help you, it is happening on Saturday, July 27th, 10 a.m. to noon at Mount Moriah Baptist Church. That's on Rivers Avenue. It is free to attend, so please check it out.